how to add team members to FreshBooks. Now, this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you follow along, by the end of this video, you will be able to add team members to FreshBooks. Okay, so to do this, you first of all want to load up FreshBooks right here and sign into your account. Now, once you have signed in, just go over to this menu on the left-hand side and click into this option that says My Team. That is going to take you over to this area right here. So all you need to do is click on Invite in this top right corner, and then choose what type of account you would like this person to get. There can be admin, manager, and all of these have different roles. So just click on one of these, and then you want to enter in their first name, their last name, and their email address. So you enter that in right there, then we enter their email address. And the reason you enter their email address is because they are basically going to get a link as soon as you click confirm. This is basically going to get sent to their email. Now, once they click on this link right here, they will be taken over to FreshBooks where they can create an account. And because they went in through your link, once the account is created, they will be part of your team. So just click send invitation, and just like that. And that is how you can invite team members to FreshBooks.